Frustrated with a dead USB port in your Kia? Here's a simple fix anyone can try. First, make sure your car is completely turned off. Safety first. Next, grab a flashlight and check the USB port for any dust, dirt, or debris. Sometimes a simple cleaning with a toothpick or a can of compressed air can solve the problem. If it looks clean, try plugging in a different cable and device. Sometimes it's just the cable or the phone that's the problem, not your car. Still not working? Find the fuse box, usually under the dashboard or near the glove box. Look for the fuse labeled USB or ACC in your manual. If the fuse looks broken or burnt, replace it with one of the same number. Once you replace the fuse, start the car and test your USB port again. 9 times out of 10, this simple fix does the trick. If it's still not working, it could be a wiring issue or a faulty USB port and you may need a mechanic. But for most people, cleaning or swapping out a fuse gets it working again fast. So, don't stress. With these easy steps, your Kia Sportage USB port should be back in action. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.